Yes, it is time for the Queensland Reds and Hurricanes to start their Super Rugby Pacific seasons in Townsville, where we are on the traditional lands of the Bindal and Woolgoorikaba people, and we pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging. Conditions A1 and steamy in northern Queensland. The Reds hand it back to the Hurricanes. Here's Coles. Penalty Queensland, good on the ball. Not releasing is the call against the Hurricanes, and a chance for some of the Wallabies and Reds legend, Michael. Here's Tom looking to do like Dad did for so many years, and he nails it through. Liner has Queensland on the board, and he opens up his Super Rugby Pacific account.
Set!
Roy Gard with the feed. Barrett out wider, and now they put some of those dangerous runners in motion. Coming across goes Julian Sevilla. Good defence. Now Rayasi's away. Salesi Rayasi looking to line them up infield. Morgan caught well in a great cover shot by McWright. Rayasi's there for Lackey. Tips it on quickly for Blackwell.
Turnover good.
Snapped away by Fraser McWright. How good McWright now. The Canes go in and steal it right back. Rayasi with the steal. Barrett will go cross-field with the kick. There's room out wide. He doesn't have enough on, and Coles hits down Gurnu and drops him after he called the mark. And
I think that was the time to go wide. They had numbers midfield to run. They had Dane Coles out on the wing.
Good first up carry from Henry. Isolated McWright. The Hurricanes get all over it. Still there though for Queensland. Now the Hurricanes load up and go again, but the penalty
pass first
goes against the visitors.
Tim, there he is. Michael Liner has made the mad dash across to see his son make that debut.
He only flew in this morning.
And back and kick clearly, but how similar are they in the other aspects of their games?
Oh, Tom's a nicer bloke.
That's strongly by Ryan Smith. Went front on, and now there's space through the middle, and away goes RD Sevilla, dummying right, cutting back left, needs help. There it is for the Hurricanes.
Set up is good.
RD Sevilla so good. And what at the moment the Hurricanes are doing in their attack setup, they're really wide. They've got a lot of width in their play.
Sevilla, good hands off the top. Rayasi met well by Pataya. Has been excellent, and now they concede the penalty here, Queensland.
Needs to be on in these first 5 or 6 rounds for the Hurricanes.
Distance, no drama for Geordie Barrett, who pumps this one right through the middle, and it's 6-3.
He only needed about 15 seconds to put it on the tee and whack it straight through.
Liner's got to go back. They've conceded 80-odd metres. Liner gets away from 1, 2, and then gets caught with a third. And that brings a spark from the Reds crowd as Henry slaps this one down towards Morgan. Morby infield.
5 advancing.
In comes Barrett. The first one was booming, and so's the second off his boot, and it is 6-6. Uru probing and feeding away for Nongor. Nongor back for Fezler, chasing the first try of the night. McDermott now going with width. Liner coming across in the direction of Fluke. Fluke, it bounces back, it sits up by Sami, 1 away. They pick and go inside, there it is. There's the try, and it's Geordie Pataya. He's been outstanding through the first half an hour, and he cashes in with the first try.
He's trying to get that kick a little bit deep, a little bit of luck here for the Queensland Reds. Hunter Paisami thought he was going to reach out, and then Geordie Pataya gets across the try line, the Reds' first try in Townsville.
Liner, look at that. Ooh, through it goes. And it is a 7-point lead for Queensland. Looking for the immediate reply here. That one's come loose, and Uru flies through. Sevilla tidies up. Roigard charged down now. Nongor's there. Lost by Nongor, and it just gets a touch crazy, and Morby says, I'll have a crack and charge it back instead of going pinball style. So now it's Barrett. Barrett creating some space, and Proctor's out wide wanting and getting. Proctor with feet, gets away from Liner, gets away from McDermott. Beats 2 for 5.
Billy Proctor, that's brilliant. Had no right to score that try. Had 2 defenders in front of him. Flanders a good ball. Beats Liner, beats Tate McDermott. And a really important try for the Hurricanes.
Well taken, Billy Proctor. You mentioned Geordie Brad. He learned his lesson about squaring up, but Proctor getting through 9 and 10 for the Reds.
Taking you back well centre field. Liner holds that one up, then rips it through over to Down-Gurner, who in turn loses it, and the Canes will go on the quick burn here. Up the field goes Morby. Here's Lackey, Peter Lackey. The 19-year-old dropped by another 19-year-old. Liner's there to put down the big man. Barrett grubbering ahead. Got a penalty advantage here. I'll say that he was taken out of the play, and well, the Canes.
I've just got 8 red at the moment, Brett. Cynical tackle off the ball.
Yellow card.
Off the back of a line break, still trying to get connection in the defensive line, and then just enough there.
Yeah, nice, Brett.
Cynical sums it up well. Just it's a man under pressure.
Smooth running game, smooth strike here from Barrett. They're up by 3 now. Maintaining possession, Roigard. Sevilla has been at his trademark best already. Roigard probing right on half-time. The Canes looking for more points. Oh no, they've burned it. Extra roll on the ground there goes against Blackwell.
Yep. Yep.
There he is, Eddie Jones.
Almost unstoppable. They go to the middle. The throw's good. Souza set up from the Hurricanes, and Queensland look to repel. They're down a man.
Don't change your bind.
Almua sets up well on the tail.
New advantage.
Uru can't stop him. Penalty try. It's a straight 7 for the Canes, and someone is off
Collapsing
to the bin. It's Seru Uru, so they'll get Ryan Smith back, but then lose Uru straight up.
That rolling Morgs was sensational, and of course you bring on a player like Amua, and he's just so hard to stop.
Here's Ray Arcee on the switch from Barrett. Roigard. Sevilla blowing through, and now Almua with a quick pick and go finds Roigard, and just like that, the Canes go up by 15.
Oh, too many missed tackles from the Queensland Reds, but Almua, what an impact he's had in the first 13 minutes of this second half. Sets up his scrum half, Roigard, to go underneath the posts and put the Hurricanes further in front.
Well, smart tactically too from Almua. We've seen Savia do it in the first half. He knows punching through the same channel in behind. He's a little bit of an area of weakness for the Reds.
Over the top for Wilson. Off to Henry. He's been punchy with his carries. Unfortunately, hanging onto the ball has been tough going when up against the torso tonight. It's just so hot and humid in Townsville. That one's lost, and Gus Gardner
When
says.
you're going to the bin.
Oh.
It's the first time we've come back down here. Too many penalties.
That was quick.
Yeah, too many
Super
penalties.
Sneak
No
Reefy
penalties.
on, then off.
Not for me.
I can't believe it.
Come back down here. Another penalty.
I think he summed it up well.
I was not going to say that, but
Hands behind.
Ravi at the back. He'll be hard to stop. Ravi sent back. Still alive though for Queensland.
Play was
Good
complete
placement
there.
in the end from Big Penny. Uru. Severe over the top, cleaned out late, too late.
Holding on.
And Queensland can't convert.
oh, the skipper, Artie Savia, he was virtually there on his own. There was 4 Reds players there.
Dangunu again looks for the steal and gets it. 2 in a row for Filippo. Penny Ravi spits it out the back. It's getting fractured on both sides of the ledger. Booth wants to go quick. The Canes on the transition. Barrett, here's Rayasi. Rayasi gets away from Fluke and then sneaks a brilliant ball away. Back in field for Booth. There's no one there for the Reds. Slick, oh so slick from the Canes, and that should be enough.
Oh, broken field footy suits the Hurricanes. They love it. You can see how quickly you watch Geordie Barrett. He gets the ball and shifts it straight away to give his winger a bit more space one-on-one. Fluke gets him and Hunter Paisami gets caught in. Paisami needed to go out to Billy Proctor and then back to Jamie Booth. Another try for the Hurricanes.
Their execution really good inside the Reds 22. Wilson tucks it infield, got it to
Yeah. Stripped
hard
out.
running for
Stripped
Ungus,
out.
but it's come out the back and it's for the Canes again. Okay, quick through Booth. Who manages to get away from one now, floats a dodgy one out wide, but it's still on here for the Hurricanes. Morgan going infield now, hitting Almua on the loop, who comes out for Sevilla. Sevilla, oh, that's the Canes at 100. That's brilliant for Sevilla.
The short pass again, they find a way. It's a lovely, clever touch from Geordie Barrett, and the waving of the wand from Morgan, who's warmed into the game. And Julian Savia in that right-hand corner, too strong to be put out.
Well, Artie starts it and Julian finishes it. Great effort. That broken field play, again, it's just hands.
Delaney, Booth. Trying to just work them here, hold them here, and then spin it wide left to Rayasti. That's the way they go now. In they go Sevilla. Wide they head for Morby. Morby infield. Morby one away. Booth holding up here for Lomax. Gus Gardner gets flattened. The Canes go in. He regathers his feet and calls a try. It'll be Lomax with a final 5-pointer, and they'll close in on 50 away.
Oh, what a performance. A second-half performance here from the Hurricanes.
Morgan grabs at that one. And at the final whistle, it is the Hurricanes who start 2023 in style. Too good for the Queensland Reds in Townsville. The score, the Canes 47, the Queensland Reds 13.